Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So in the previous classes we have learned about the latitudes and the longitudes, right? So just take out page number 214 from your social reader. So we'll go for the next page. This is the page 214. So important latitudes. So the 0 indicates the equator, 23 and a half north tropic of Cancer, 23 and a half south tropic of Capricorn, 66 and a half north Arctic Circle, 66 and a half south Antarctic Circle, right? These are the important latitudes of all the Earth. So longitudes are meridians, right? So let's learn about the latitudes and the longitudes and the meridians. You can find meridians here. See, meridians of longitudes. So let's see this. One line or references is not enough to locate a place. So a single line cannot indicate all the places, right? So we require much line and more line to locate the places. If we were told that the Singapore is 1 degree north, it could be anywhere on the 1 degree north latitude, which is line almost 40,000 kilometers long and goes all around the earth, right? So if we told that Singapore is in 1 degree north and it could be anywhere in the north latitude, right? It is almost 40,000 kilometers far away, which goes around the earth. So we cannot indicate with a single line, right? Let's go for the next para. It is necessary to give one more references point to find out this place. So it is also necessary to give the references to point to find out the places. One more point we can say. So therefore the imaginary lines are called longitudes, which are drawn from North Pole to South Pole, and longitudes are also known as meridian. The imaginary line from North Pole to South Pole are known as longitudes. Then it is also known as, the longitude is also known as meridian. The word meridian means the midday sun. It is nothing but the midday sun. All the places of meridian will have the midday sun at the same time. So all the meridian places will have same timing of the suns. So the line that passes through the Greenwich near the London is given that the 0 value. So the equator we can say, or the line that passes through the Greenwich near the London gives the 0 degree, right? Hence the longitudes up to 180 degrees 0 value. Next, it is called as Greenwich meridian or prime meridian, right? Which is also known as Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. So this is the line for each degree. Hence, longitudes up to 180 degree east and 180 degree west of prime meridian have been drawn, right? See here. This is the meridian of the longitudes. So it is the same line which connects the longitude meet at the North Pole and the South Pole, and they are not parallel but they are equal. Okay, so they are not parallel to each other but equal to each other, but they are not equal in the length. Okay, they are equal to each other but not in the lengthwise. On a map you will find the latitudes and the longitude crossing each other, forming a pattern of checks. See here, like a checks. This is the checks we call it is. This is called the grid. Now, if someone tells you Singapore is 1 degree north and 102 degree east, it will be at the point where 1 degree north and 102 degree east line meets each other. So this means that we need two reference point to coordinate a find to place. So is that we require two references point to coordinate all the places, all the different places. Okay. So let's continue in the next page. Differences between latitudes and longitudes. So see here, latitudes are drawn from east to west and longitudes are drawn from north to west. Other than equator, there are 180 degrees latitude, they are 360. Here parallels to each other, not parallel, right? Latitudes become smaller to smaller. All the meridians and longitudes of our same length, right? and this is a continent, right? Asia, Africa and all. Okay.